Hi guys, for dinner today I'm making chicken and broccoli pasta bake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to season my chicken. So here I've got chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs. I'm just adding sesame oil, this one here, and then adding some salt. Just season with all peppers or whatever you've got, and then I'm adding black pepper there. So salt, black pepper, sesame oil, turmeric, garlic powder, a teaspoon of each, and then I've got some coriander there, cumin, there, and some ginger powder and paprika, teaspoon of each. So like I said guys, you can use whatever seasoning you've got in your pantry. So this is the seasoning I have. I'm just going to mix this through. So I'm using about 6 chicken breasts here, and if chicken thighs, sorry, boneless chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast if you like, but I have got just the chicken thighs today, and this will do me for now, the chicken thighs. This is just a weeknight dinner guys, nothing fancy. It's simple weeknight dinner for the kids and myself. Just trying to cut on the budget, just cooking whatever that is available. The chicken thighs are nice and seasoned. I'm just going to sit this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll start my cooking process. So in a large pan, just make sure the pan is nice and hot. I'm adding my oil, and then I'm just going to cook my chicken. For now, just place them like that. So just let the chicken cook. I'm cooking each side for about 6 minutes on each side. Okay, I'm going to set this aside and sort of keep them, put in an oven to make sure the chicken stays hot. Or keep the chicken in an oven. It's on a low, very low heat in the oven while I'm cooking my sauce. I'm just adding some one onion, one diced onion. One tablespoon of garlic. Just adding 1 tablespoon of butter. Then cook this cream until the butter melts. While the butter is melting, I'm just going to add some flour, about a tablespoon of flour, and then cook this. Let's cook this through. Adding a little bit of flour, just another teaspoon. Now I'm just going to add some chicken stock, guys. Just to make my sauce. The chicken stock. I just adding a little bit more chicken stock. Little bit more chicken stock. So about half a cup of chicken stock, guys. Then just cook the sauce. I'm just gonna add a little bit of cream, just the cream, guys, about 100 ml of cream or 150 ml of cream. Just make sure you just mix while adding the cream. A little bit more cream. If you just follow the recipe, guys, you will find it's so easy to make this recipe. So I've added about 150 ml of cream, just to add some creaminess to this recipe, guys. I'm just gonna add cheese. So I'm adding some cheddar cheese, about 2 handfuls of cheddar cheese. Just add some cheddar cheese. And then I've lowered the heat so that it's not too hot, otherwise it will burn the sauce. So just adding the cheddar cheese in there, and I'm adding also some Parmesan cheese. That's, Parmesan cheese there. Just about 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Just mixing that through. And then cook until this cheese is melted. Alright guys, look at the sauce. This is so nice and so delicious. So now I'm going to add my spinach, just the fresh spinach, just a handful of spinach, and cook this spinach for about a minute. So here is my chicken that I cooked earlier, guys. So what I'm just going to dice the chicken into small pieces. I'm probably just gonna dice about 4 chicken breast, four chicken thighs. Just roughly dice them, just like that. I'm going to leave the 2 just for the to put on the top. So I've diced these ones here. Alright guys, now I'm adding my cooked pasta. Just add the cooked pasta in there. So this is about 300 grams of pasta that I cooked, and then I'm mixing this through. Just cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, just to make sure the sauce and the pasta is mixed. Alright, now I'm just going to add my broccoli. Just add so here I've got some frozen broccoli, which I'm going to add, and I'm going to just cook this for a little bit, just 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'm going to bake this. So just mixing this through the broccoli. You can use fresh broccoli or whatever you've got, but I've got this frozen broccoli I've got. And now this is how the dish looks. Just cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright guys, now I'm adding my chicken. The chicken that I diced before. Just add that into the dish. This is so good and so creamy. So you can add even cheese if you want it to be a little bit more cheesy, but for me this is what I prefer. But now the chicken is in, just mixing, and then I'm going to put in an oven dish and bake for 10 to 15 minutes, and dinner is ready after that. Just adding everything in an oven dish, and then alright guys, I'm just going to add a layer of the remaining chicken. Remember the chicken that I left? I just want to put it on top, just like that. A layer of the chicken just on top. Now I'm adding more cheese. So now I'm just going to add some cheese on top. So I'm just using some cheddar cheese. Just put a layer of cheese. You can use mozzarella, but I'm just using cheddar cheese. So this is about a cup and a half of cheese. Now in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Alright guys, this is how my chicken and broccoli pasta bake looks. So it's so easy to make. Let me show you how it looks inside. This is how the pasta looks. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe